Hi everybody there. This is the Xiaomi 85-inch TV. The model is S Pro Mini LED, so it's really nice. In my previous videos, I have talked about the setup, the unboxing, as well as reviewing most of the features in this TV, but I think I've missed out some of the functions and didn't talk about it. That's on this. Yeah, it's pretty fast. I just need to click on this one to on it. Yeah, basically it's instant. Yeah, so this is how I started it, and basically it's just 1 second. Yeah, I'm not too sure whether it's on standby or not, but when you see I click on this button off, I can actually power it off, screen off, reboot, or delay it. Yeah, so if I do this power off, it's shutting down, right? Yeah. Okay, you can hear there's a click sound. Okay, I think it's off. Yeah, so when you on it back, okay, now it's really off, and I'm starting it again. Now it comes with this Xiaomi logo. Now this is really starting. So it's not instant 1 second. 1 second is on standby mode. I think this is about, I think 15 seconds. I don't know. It's less than that. Yeah, less than 6 seconds, I think. So it's pretty fast. Yeah, if you compare it to the previous 7 years old TV that I have, also from Xiaomi, it takes about 60-70 seconds, yeah, just to start. So it's considerably very fast. Yeah, and let's check out the things I don't really like about this TV. Okay, it only comes with three. There's HDMI 1, then there is a EARC, so that it can be connected to the soundbar, and also another one. It's okay actually, because I only use three at this moment. Yeah, I can also use this YS209. I can plug in another HDMI into that and bypass into this. Still workable, but I think it's just 2.0 if I use it that way. And yeah, let's check out the Mirrorlink. Yeah, and how can I actually link my handphone to this? So I have my remote control here with the NFC, and let me just tap on it and see whether it works. Nothing happens. Yeah, I've tried many times, it doesn't work. Not too sure how to activate it as well. It doesn't really tell me how to do it, so I think that's fine. Yeah, because I can just simply link it using another way, which is just do this and click here, and I can see this, right? Immediately it will show it here. So I don't really need to use that. Then when I'm casting it, I can actually play YouTube. Yeah, no thanks. And see, I'm gonna watch it back. Okay, it takes a bit of time. I'm using a 1 gigabit of internet line here, but it's still working. Yep. Yeah, so I'm just showing my own videos. So basically it works. Yep. To unlink it should be quite simple. Just click here, and then it shows you right there. Okay, the AirPlay. All you need to do is just click back to your iPhone, and yeah, voila, it's unlinked. Yep. So if you can see that this green icon here, there's a wireless share. All you just need to do is click on it, and you can see you can actually share whatever you want to the screen using the phone, your computer. Yep. And this is for Xiaomi. This is the way to do it. Yeah, click on the cars, and then this is the normal Android's phone as well as iPhone. Yeah, all you need to do is just open the screen mirroring on the control center. So right, I'm going to go to this Xiaomi TV. All right, and from here I can actually watch my YouTube and Netflix and whatnot. Yes, Spotify, things which is not be able to play in China TV. So everything is in here, and I can actually just change the way how to display. So basically it's Dolby Vision IQ. If you can see that, let me just focus and show you guys, yeah, what are the things that can be done in this area. You can change your Dolby Vision to Dolby Vision Game. Yep. And Dolby Vision Film Maker, sorry, Film Maker, Dolby Vision Dark, Dolby Vision IQ, yeah, Game, and so on. It comes back again. So say Dolby Vision Game, right? I set it to this, and I will to start the menu again. It will show me the game mode instead, yeah, which is pretty nice. Yeah, I can actually do some screen light. I think Dolby Vision don't allow me to change the light. Yeah, you can have the black stretch on and off. I'm not too sure what is that. And you can on your FreeSync Premium Pro. Yeah, I think it does on it. I can off it back. Okay, and the response time can be normal, fast, high. MEMC can be, yeah, can be changed as well. Info show, see that you have the HDMI informations and VRR, FPS informations all being shown up there. It can go up to 144, yeah, hertz, yeah, and more settings. Yeah, it comes back here again. So can I just change it back by clicking here. All right, then you won't see that game anymore. So say I want to change more, yeah, what else can I do here? I go to display. In the Dolby Vision I can't change the screen light, but I can change the contrast, black level, yeah, and whatnot, yeah. And of course color settings, saturations, hue, and color booster, color space, all that can be changed as well. And sharpness. Okay, smart adapter is, this is really good, yeah, because it will adapt to the source that you have and you will change accordingly, whether it's HDR, Dolby Vision, and whatnot, yeah. And yeah, precise detail is always on. So you have expert settings as well, where you can change the gamma, offset, 20 points, WB, color manager, yeah, you can on it. Yeah, I can on it, and then you can change how much blue or red or green that you want, yeah. There's just so many things that you can do here. I'm just going to off it back. I think it's just fine. I don't really want to change any of the settings. I think the color is just okay for me, yeah. But for those who really know how to do settings like this, yeah, go ahead, why not, right? So okay, there is another function here which is interesting, which is talking to the TV. It's just like Siri on iPhone or Google, OK Google, yeah. But this is specifically for their own unique software. 小爱同学，关电视。So I can just ask it to off. I can on it back. 小爱同学，开电视。So it's all in Mandarin, in Chinese. So if I am connected to all the Mi Home appliances, such as the robot and whatnot, I can actually just ask this, the helper here from a TV to, activate the vacuum cleaners and whatnot, yeah. So right, basically that's all the thing I missed out during my first two videos. You can just watch back my setup videos as well as my reviews. And thank you and have a good day. Bye.